Kim, pinataob at pinadapa si Nadine sa sportswear. Funny, bumalag. No comparison please.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby.
Panalong-panalo si Kim Chu versus Nadine Lustre sa paandar na This or That Sportswear Edition ng Kapamilya Channel. Yes, may pa-survey nga tungkol sa sportswear ni na Kim at Nadine kung sino nga ba sa kanila ang mas better ang dating. At syempre, sa 113 na bumoto, lamang na lamang agad si Kim. Heto nga ang komento ng mga fanay. Of course, Kimi, ang neat, tingnan. Kimi, ang kinis at puti talaga ni Kim. Kim's natural charm and fresh vibe are truly captivating. Both are lovely, but Kim's combination of charm, sweetness, and freshness is simply irresistible. Kimi, especially the color. Nakaka-good vibes ang energy to exercise. Philippines is a hot country, so Kim's attire attracts me more. I like Nadine, but Kim is more attractive on her sportswear. Mas may spark at very fresh look ni Kimi. They are both equally beautiful, but Kim has a naturally charming, sweet, and refreshing aura. Kim's charm, sweetness, and fresh vibe make her stand out. Kim looks lean, fresh, and radiant. Nadine is okay, but she looks heavy and matured. Well, marami naman ang pumalag dahil hindi nga nila bet na pinaglalaban. Pinagkukumpara ang mga artista na tulad ni na Kim at Nadine. Kailangan ba talagang may comparison? No need to compare. Both are pretty with their own unique personality. O di ba kaloka talaga ang mga fan eh. At kung sino-sino na lang ang pinagkukumpara. Lalo na sina Kim at Nadine. Dapat walang ganun. Dahil may kanya-kanyang unique at style ang bawat artista. Lalo na pagdating sa sportswear. Kayo, anong reaction nyo dito? Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.